In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an Instagram story highlight not loading. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, this doesn't normally happen, but if it did, there are a couple of fixes that you can go ahead and follow. So the first one is going to be simply trying to toggling on and turning off the airplane mode, which will restart your Wi-Fi signal, as you can see, and even your internet connection or data. Once it does that, if it still doesn't work, simply go ahead and try force closing your application and reopen it. And this may go ahead and fix it, but if it still doesn't, just open settings, head to general, and then scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset network settings. Once you've done that, and if you simply go ahead and restart your phone, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.